Sometimes silence is the best response to negativity. Not reacting protects your peace and shows that not every battle deserves your energy. Celebrate progress, even small steps. Growth is slow, but every day you improve is a day worth appreciating and remembering. Do not let fear control your choices. Great experiences often hide behind scary decisions, and bravery will lead you to beautiful moments. You deserve the same love you give others. Treat yourself kindly, respect your boundaries, and never forget your own emotional needs. Surround yourself with people who make you feel valued. The right company brings confidence, laughter, and positive energy into your life. Trust that everything happens for a reason. Even painful situations can guide you toward opportunities that will make you grateful one day. Be honest with your feelings. Pretending to be okay only hides pain, while speaking the truth opens doors for healing and understanding. Learning never stops. Every person you meet, every moment you experience, and every mistake you make has something important to teach you. Protect your peace like a treasure. Anything that costs your mental health is too expensive and not worth keeping in your life. The more you give without expecting, the more you receive in beautiful ways. Good intentions always return, sometimes from unexpected places. Your journey will not look like anyone else's. Value your own path, because comparison steals joy and blinds you from your unique blessings. Sometimes life closes a door to push you toward a better one. Trust the change, even when it feels confusing or uncomfortable. Stay humble in success and strong in failure. Both situations teach you something valuable about life, people, and your own strength. Nobody sees the struggles you face in silence, but that does not make your fight any less brave. You deserve respect for surviving difficult days. You can't replace a woman that gives you both wifey and best friend vibes. Choose love over ego. Winning arguments may feel good for a moment, but keeping relationships strong feels good for a lifetime.